How to delete a category on your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Just go to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, now go right here, click on the posts option and you will find categories. Click on categories like this and it will take you to this page. As you can see, now as you can see, I want, for example, to delete this category. All what I have to do is click here on those three dots and click delete, and everything will be done. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.